Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to withdraw application on Indeed. Guys, if you've applied for any job and now you are not interested in that job, so how will you withdraw your application? So guys, simply you have to go on your profile icon, then you have to go on my jobs, and here you will see these four suggestions, and here you have to go in applied. You will see all the jobs you've applied for. Simply select your job where you want to withdraw your application, and then go to this three dotted button. Just simply click on it, and then the new window will be open on this screen, and here you have to click on withdraw application. Just simply click on withdraw application. Then here you have to define the reason. Just select anyone and then click on withdraw application. So guys, as you can see, my application has been withdrawn. Same as you can also withdraw your application easily. So guys, this is how to withdraw application on Indeed. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.